Hey everyone, so this video is used to show how we can perform operations between variables in Django. So let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you guys that before doing this project, there are some prerequisites like you have to install the Django math filter in your project, and after that uh, import it in the settings.py file like this inside the installed apps. So I am considering that you guys have already done this, and now we can continue with the video. So as you have imported your module, now we can directly work on implementing these features. So let's get started. Let me show you my HTML file, which is this home.html, and inside the home.html you guys have to load the math filters, the module which we just imported. Okay, so now let's use this code for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let me show you that what variables I have given. So I have given two variables in my context, a and b, with the value 5 and 6. So let's test them now. Let me change this 8 to a and 3 to b. Let me do it for all the lines. And for the division also, um, let me subtract a from b. Okay, so now let me save the file, and let's refresh our website as our server is already running. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting these values. First of all, we were doing the addition between a and b, that is 5 plus 6, which is 11. Then subtraction, 6 minus 5 is 1. Then multiplication, 6 into 5 is 30. And then finally the division, which has this value 0.833 recurring. Okay, so now we can work on implementing some comparison operators by this. In this, we have simply checked if variable 1 is greater than variable 2, then we can perform some action, else if some other action, or else some other action. So let's just directly copy this code and paste it in our template. I'll paste it down here. Okay, I have to just change the variable names. Okay, now for performing any function we can write anything like greater. If it's equal to, then we can write equal, and if it's in the else case, then we can write nothing. Alright, so let's save this code and check what are we getting. Okay, so we are getting nothing, so we have displayed nothing for, let us see. Okay, so a was 5 and b was 6, so a isn't greater than b, or a isn't equal to b, so we are printing nothing. Let's check if a is smaller than b, as 5 is smaller than b, then if we are printing smaller, and we should get smaller here. Let's refresh the page, and yes, we are getting smaller. So as you can see, we have successfully implemented the arithmetic operations and conditional operations inside our Django template. So this marks the end of the video. Thanks for watching.